Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you're having a great day. If you're new to my channel, my name is Isabel. Welcome. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, I hope that you'll go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little bell down there so that you can be notified every time I do a video. Today, I wanted to go ahead and give you an update on a couple of things, plus share a new item that I picked up today. So, let's go ahead and start with my updates. Here's the first bag. If you watched my other videos, you remember I had a little bit of a snafu with the pair of shoes that I picked up from Christian Louboutin. I went there today and we have solved the problem. So let me go ahead and show you what's in here. So we have, of course, my receipt. We have 2 dust bags. Of course, we have the small dust bag with the extra tips inside, which let me just check and make sure. I should have checked while I was there, but I didn't. Yes, here are the 2 little tips for the shoes. And you know what's in here. It is the beautiful pair of the gold Iriza 100s that I picked up during the sale, but that unfortunately one was a 37 and one was a 37.5. That has now been taken care of. There was another customer who had purchased the 37.5 and she got 137 and 137.5. So she, just like I, took them back, and now we both have our beautiful shoes in the right size. So these are, let me just take this off, the beautiful Irizas in the 100mm heel. And these are one of the most comfortable, in my opinion, styles. I'm not sure what it is. I think I've mentioned it before. I don't know if it's just the opening over here that kind of gives you more space here for your foot. But the bottom line is I find them super, super comfortable. So I'm very happy. I got these on sale. Now I have both shoes in the same size. So I'm very happy. I probably won't be wearing these anytime soon. I plan on wearing them from probably some evening parties or a wedding, and I don't have anything of those going on for, I think, 2 or 3 more months. But anyhow, here they are. So I'm very happy that they were able to get me 2 shoes that match. Okay, so that's the first thing. If you recall, I also had purchased a bag, a Christian Louboutin bag, and it had a little bit of glue stuck on the bottom part. And when I went to return the shoes, because they hadn't been able to find who had purchased the other pair of shoes, I returned the bag. I was just I was really kind of upset about the whole thing, so I just returned it all. And today I went back and was able to get the shoes, but I did not repurchase the bag. So I won't have the bag. All right. Next thing I want to briefly talk about is my beautiful new Neverfull, the Miami Trunks Neverfull. When I did my unboxing, a few of you mentioned that she did not seem to be aligned right here, and you were right. So I went ahead and called my SA and pretty much went back, and they exchanged it for me. So here she is, my exchanged Neverfull. I think, there you go, there's the sides. Okay, so that takes care of that. I feel she's absolutely gorgeous. I'm very happy with her. I'm not going to go ahead and show you the bag again. You've already seen it, but I did want to go ahead and address the issue that you had brought up to me, that some of you had brought up to me, and I appreciate that. I did not open it at the store. I didn't really look at it at the store, and then I did a true unboxing when I got here, so I hadn't even noticed. But thank you very much. She's exchanged. She's beautiful. We are good to go. Now, let's get into what I picked up today at Louis Vuitton. So, I don't know if you have any ideas. Here's my receipt. I, of course, got this at the Louis Vuitton in Aventura. And, let's see. She's in this cute little drawer box. Let's pull her open. And inside is the little dust bag. Any guesses on what this is? Hint, hint. She just released. To reveal the beautiful Miami mini Pochette. Here she is. Gorgeous. So she is in the damier azur print. She has the, basically she is matching the Miami Neverfull. So she's got the hot pink line right up here. Miami in the hot pink. You turn her around and it's the beautiful patch right here. Let me just get her close so you can see her. And of course the gold hardware. She says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. There it is. And inside she just basically is the plain beige or light beige color. And she has her textile card. She's a little bent, but she has her textile card. And then we have the item information, mini Pochette, damier azur 18 Miami, and that's the item number. You can only purchase these in the Aventura store or the Miami downtown district store, Miami district store. Those are the two that are going to have this available. So they are not allowed to ship those out. That's what I was told. Therefore, you can only get them down here in South Florida. So anyhow, I wanted to share my cute little mini Pochette. I think this is going to be my 5th mini Pochette. Let me know if you want me to go ahead and do a video showing you all of the little mini Pochettes that I have, what I use them for, when I use them, etc. But very, very excited to have picked her up. She is a beauty. And now I will truly be matching these two beauties up. So thank you very much. I hope you have a lovely rest of the day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.